In the intricate dance of construction project management, two partners lead the way: efficient budgeting and precise scheduling. The stage is set, the players are ready, and the spotlight shines on an unexpected hero, Microsoft Excel. Excel, the digital Swiss Army knife for construction project managers, slices through data with ease, offering robust spreadsheet functionalities that organize, calculate, and visualize the complex ballet of construction management. Its adaptability shines in the form of construction Excel templates, tailored frameworks that transform Excel from a basic tool into a dynamic project management assistant. Excel templates for scheduling and budgeting are the linchpins of project success. They provide a robust framework for organizing and analyzing data, simplifying the creation of construction timelines and budgets. With pre-built formulas and user-friendly interfaces, these templates are the silent conductors orchestrating the symphony of construction management. The benefits of wielding Excel templates in construction are manifold. They bring a new level of accuracy to budgeting, with automated calculations that minimize errors. Project scheduling becomes a breeze, allowing for dynamic adjustments that keep pace with the ever-changing construction landscape. And when it comes to resource allocation, Excel templates ensure every material and minute is optimized for efficiency. Selecting the right Excel template is akin to choosing the right tool for the job. It must be adaptable, user-friendly, and scale to the project's size. The perfect template is not just a document, it's a blueprint for success, ensuring that every task and dollar is accounted for from groundbreaking to ribbon cutting. To harness the full power of Excel templates, construction teams must dive deep into training, embrace continuous improvement, and foster collaboration. These best practices ensure that Excel templates are not just used, but used effectively, becoming the cornerstone of project management success. Excel Help stands ready to guide construction professionals through the maze of project management. With expert assistance and tailored Excel templates, we elevate your project management to new heights. Contact us to discover how our Excel solutions can transform your construction project management today.